Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to another month of creating cards in 10 minutes. This is formerly known as So You Only Have 10 Minutes, where I create the present month's sheetload of cards using the sketch from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Owl and 10-minute bites. Isn't that how we eat an elephant, as the saying goes? Anyway, this is the July 2021 sketch that Alicia has provided for us. If you are a subscriber to her channel, you can get this. You can print this out for yourself. And this time it is a fun fold card just on this piece. And the fold itself is this piece. Obviously, I've gone ahead and done some. I have all my pieces cut out already. I am using Authentique's Sea Maiden. It is a paper set from 2018, and I did have a few pieces left. And here is the sticker sheet. And here's a couple of examples of cut aparts, and then some pearl paper on the back. These are the pieces I picked. The beautiful all over pattern, and then the wood grain, which you know I love wood grain. And then I'm going to finish up folding and scoring these. And I use my scoreboard. I will set 10 minutes on the clock and we will get started. I wanted to pull out another of these so I don't get caught running out. Okay, let's get started. Ten minutes on the clock, and here we go. Okay, I'm going to fold these in half. I truly used every scrap of red that I had left in my stash. I ordered some more yesterday, but I did have to change the colors on one or two, just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put this in the middle here, and if you measure, one and a quarter, like she wants us to, from that edge, it is exactly at the A2. See right here? So I'm going to score it where it says A2. As you saw, I just used the end to have something to butt up against as I folded this. You can do that with cards also. And I've seen some people use their trimmers for this. I will not be putting holes in here to put a piece of twine or anything. Okay, I think this is the last one. We have 12 total. Okay. About halfway through. All right. Okay. So we will go ahead and start putting them together. I wanted to show you my circle punch. I inherited this. I don't remember from who, but it's not quite 3 inches. But we'll go with that. And then I can cut these in half. And then we'll stamp them. Let's go ahead and cut these in half so that I can put them on the pattern piece after we stamp. I had originally cut out 12, but since we're only using half, I can put those away for some other time. I'm sure I will be using this sketch again. It really is cute and different than the usual A2s. Okay, so there's all our pieces. All right. Okay, true confessions here. I've never made this kind of fun fold card before, and if I had thought about it, I would have made this white because it's going to go onto this, and this is the card base. So I had to make these inserts to go on the inside. So we will be stamping those. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to use Tranquil Tide because that's the color of the card base. And I'm going to be using sentiments from my set from the Hero Arts May 2021. Wishing you some vitamin C. We'll go on the outside. And then salt water heals everything. Will go on the inside. And then I can just write, you know, get well soon or something underneath that. Because actually salt water does heal a lot of things. I'm a nurse, so I just had to throw that in. Okay, down to a minute. Let's hope I don't, when I go to cut the angle on here, that I don't mess that up. They're not going to be exactly the same, but that's the beauty of homemade. It usually isn't. Every one is unique, including every person. I have a cough drop in my mouth. Sorry about that. I'm probably needing a little bit of vitamin C myself today. I live a mile from the bay. Do you think that'll help? All right. There's those. Now let's go ahead and stamp. Salt water heals everything. because this is a new stamp, I'm going to grab a spare piece. Oh, well, there we go. Okay, stop. All right. So we didn't get to this yet, but we did stamp all of these. I'm going to stamp the inserts. Then I'm going to put this on here like so, and then just trim each one and then assemble the card. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you get some value out of these, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.